Hello, welcome back. I'm working on this Windows as always. I hope I'm gonna finish it on this episode. Alright. Let me prepare it. Why it's reflecting like this? I didn't get it. Alright. Now I need to check the original one. Yeah, that's here. That's an air conditioner. Just duplicate one. Control C, copy location, and just place it there. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger and something like this. We have another window here. Control C, copy location, and just place it. I need to try it first. I didn't like this light color here. And there's another window. Which one should I use? Let's use this one. Copy location again, 90 degree, and just place it. And let's place it to inside of the building. Boolean and placing to inside. Alright, that's fine. Let's add another one. This process will be fast because I'm doing same thing all the time. Come on. I'm selecting edge loop here and making a little bit wider to make it like this. I think I'm gonna make it Boolean. This area here. And apply Boolean. And after that, I want to use this exact part here. Just delete bottom part and I'm gonna make it mirror to fix it. Go mirror, and we fixed all the way here. Now smart apply. I want to have just a little bit bigger and wider, but this time I'm gonna select these. I'm gonna select these and just move forward a little bit more, and let's make it like this, and cube projection again. Yeah, that's useful. I can use it just like this, but let me check one more time for better result. It's window 9 base color, and we have this here. Can I try that? Yeah, just a little bit in low quality. So that's window. I'm just trying to find a better result. Yeah, so I can use it just like this for that area. It's almost done for placing windows. Yeah, we got this here, and Boolean. In the X-ray mode, and just place it like this. Boolean here, and now I can use different one, maybe something like this. It's a raster one, 90 degree, and place it inside. Just a little bit. Yeah. And let's make it touchier. Is it looking fine? Yeah. Oh, look at this. I want to try a different thing. What if I keep that structure here? Let's select all. And what is this? Window 4. Go to window 4, base color. And what if I use it something like that, and it can go all the way. It's not looking possible. You know, maybe I could make it like this. No, I wish I could make it. Okay then, let's get rid of this unwanted areas here, and let's find another one, which is here. So what is this? That's the metal plate again. There are lots of metal plates on this reference image, and it's getting a little bit interesting. Yeah, let's make something like this, and that's enough. What is this here? That's another window, but it's completely glass. So it means that I need a glass material here, but also I'm gonna cut it again. What is this? I didn't activate the X-ray mode here. That's why I made a mistake. Alright. We can Boolean like this because, you know, it's belong to the same room here, but of course it may not work just like this because it's still no. Yeah, you could work. What's the problem? Yeah, now it worked. Because it belongs to same room here. So that's why I can make it like a room here. Just extrude there. One extrusion here, or yeah, only this one will be enough. And now we have our room here. Just like this. And I can place the window. Can place the window here and a window there. Yeah, I need to find a tent to use here. It looks like a tent, and there's a grid here. So what it means, let's make a grid bar. I just need to delete this and let's make it similar because I'm trying to follow the reference image. That's the thing of our tutorial. I just need to make it in new collection because when it comes to duplicating it too much times, you want to have it in new collection because it's too hard to select back all the duplicated objects. Okay, so you're gonna see what's the advantage of this one. So I made it in item bar collection. Now I can duplicate it and it's gonna stay in the same collection. Okay, so if I want to choose them, it's just gonna only select the collection. So don't forget to make a collection for this kind of duplication things, and you're gonna save tons of times of yours. Okay, that's so important. It's a little trick, but that's so important. Now I can have it like this, and let's find a good and proper material for it. Yeah, it's looking same, right? There's an extension. I think I just couldn't get it this point here, but anyway, just make it scale, cube projection, and we have a good looking item bar here. Why it's like this? You know, what's inside? Don't you wanna let somebody out? Maybe. I don't know the story of this apartment. And I can use the same material, apply scale and cube projection, and it's done. You can fix this kind of problems. Did I apply all the booleans here? Yeah, let me do it. just fix this kind of small problems here. And we have this window. That's nice. We have a glowing window with emission here. Let's find this one. This time I can make it bigger. I gotta make another style. So just prepare the material here. Now I'm just selecting window. By the way, you can select different kind of selections. So let me select similar, normal. When it comes to selecting it like this, look at this. It's just gonna look only normal, same normals. It means that these all faces are looking at the same, exactly same axis. So I mean that they all look into x-axis, and you can choose only the same axis faces. Okay, so select similar. Maybe you can select coplanar. Coplanar is little bit, it's searching for same face sizes and face shapes here. Let's try on this one. Select similar, coplanar, and look at this. It's it's looking similar and it's selecting that. You can make it less. Look at this, it's changing itself. And there are tons of different kind of selecting, like material. You can choose the base color material here only on your object, or or if you want to select only these window parts, you can select similar. Where was that? Yeah, material, and you can select the window glass here only. So that's so easy to select this kind of sometimes there are tons of small faces with extrusion and inside and other things, and when it comes to a situation like this, that's so easy. Okay, you can explore it yourself more, but that's the simple one. So just select this one, select similar, and material can work here because it's sharing all of these faces, sharing the reflect material. And you can also, let's say you don't have any material, but it has same shape with tons of different faces here, and you can just go here and select it, select similar, coplanar can work. Okay, so that's a simple trick, but so useful, and I wanted to explain it to you. Okay, now I selected this and select emission and assign. That's so big, I know that, but I have another plan. Just make it like this and just rotate it to right side, and let's push it inside a little bit more. This Boolean is also so big, so I can fix my bad. I made a mistake here, so that's so easy to do it. Just place it here, maybe a little bit bigger, and make it touch downside. No, a little bit there. All right, do you remember what I had here? I made a column from the previous episode, and I can make it camouflage with this kind of structures. Yeah, why not? So we got this here, and let's make an interesting shape. And that's so easy to Make it height, and yeah, of course it's repeating itself, but you know, it's so easy to fix it. You know how we do it? Just find a good proportion and yeah, that's okay. Also, just set origin to geometry, something like this. Let me find different face. Yeah, it's not repeating itself anymore. And we have this. Now we have 4 windows just right here. And that's gonna be easy peasy. But I gotta select it a little bit carefully because or no, I just changed my mind. That's gonna be so painful. Let's use this one. Let's use this one here. Just copy location. Make it bigger. All right. Now, my plan is using same window here, but in different kind of shapes. So why am I doing this like this? Because it's gonna look like as only silhouettes. Okay, I was planning that and just prepare emission here, and you know, it's looking like silhouettes because of the emission here, and it's getting so bright. By the way, I am getting nervous about this situation because it's gonna glow so bad. But let's try it out first. For example, in my case, I'm not sure about making it completely lighter. Let's change small. Let's make it small change here because it's gonna get a bigger problem in a couple of minutes. You're gonna see that. I'm gonna show it to you. Look at this. All of them are glowing so bad. So I was afraid of this kind of result here because look at this. Everywhere is glowing so bad. I wasn't planning something like this. It's supposed to be, you know, something like this because it looks like it. Actually, I like Eevee's bloom more. But, you know, this bloom is better. But we're gonna go with the cycles. And we don't have bloom here in original, but we can add it in compositing. I can show it to you, and we can also make it in Photoshop because, you know, it's related with the still image. So that's why I'm a little bit nervous. Is it so shiny or not? Because it's glowing so bad. I know I can use same emission color here. That's so obvious, but let me show it to you. It doesn't work like this. So just trust your eyes and get closer to with the same color here. But I'm not sure about that color tone. That's the problem. Yeah, that's looking a little bit better because I'm just looking at this kind of reflections here. that's the tone here. I'm just checking here. Yeah, we're gonna go that way. All right, so far so good. And let's keep making something. And why am I looking at a foggy area here right now? What's happening here? I didn't touch anything. And now it's looking like this. That's so interesting. Go back to E. That's so interesting. Why it happened? Why it happened? Anyway. Let's find another placeholder here. This window will be a little bit plain. Let's find another one. I'm gonna just place it like this and delete that. That's fine here. And there's no light on this window. That's it. What we have here? It's like curtain. I think it's like it looks like a curtain, but let's change it a little bit. Let's make it metal plate, because why would I have that kind of curtain there? Yeah, it doesn't make sense. We got that, and let's make some improvisation. I see a grid again, so let's use this. But I gotta push it a little bit inside. Just like this. And I want to have it something like that. All right. That's better. Let's make another plate here. Oops. All right, and we have an air conditioner there. link materials here, apply scale, cube projection. All right, give me an air conditioner. Couple location didn't work. I'm gonna use this kind of air conditioner this time because it's too wide. It's too wide for the corner. And we have something like this. Let's make it bigger. And I wanna make a little bit improvisation and just select bottom side and duplicate this. No, that's better. And let me check. This place is so empty because that's the extra area here which I did. So let's make it wide difference. And what should I use there? So yeah, I'm gonna go that way. Couple location, 90-degree, place it inside. And that's ready. Do you remember previous episode for repeating textures and how to fix it? Do you say yes? All right, select box here. That can work. Yeah, well done. And do you see that? Now we have different kind of window shapes. So funny. Now I gotta make it separated. Because we don't want it as repeating itself. All right, now we made another area here. Let's check it out. This place. And we got this. Which way is this? That's the ramp here. And yeah, whatever. Let's make another window. No, it's not gonna glow. Yeah, let me use this. I can also extrude this area for making a little bit more interesting. Just cube projection and that's all. Yep. We made it. All right. That's the last. I think that's the last plate here. Is that so? 90-degree and place it here. I select everything and go set origin to geometry, and that's gonna help us to fix the origin problems. Oh yeah, we finally finished all the windows. Yeah, what a boring stuff. Finally. Let's check it out. I gotta make it apply. Also, you can select all and you can go to convert to mesh and you applied everything on your scene. So, okay, let's say, I'm just gonna explain it to you again in a clean way. Let's say you have, okay, let's say you have some, you know, when you have something like this, okay, when you have something like this, you know, there are tons of booleans here and there are a couple of different things, or curves, pipes, and tons of different stuff. And look at this. Can I apply everything one by one here and go here, apply? No. So what's the shortcut? It's not a shortcut, but it's short way. What's the short way to convert everything to applied modifier or curves to pipe, curves to object, mesh? So that's easy. There's an easy way. So select all with A and go to object and convert to mesh. Now everything in the scene is now a mesh. So it means that you applied all modifiers here. There's nothing with the modifiers and there's no curve. There's no other thing. Okay, that's the way. Yeah. Yeah, that's the fastest way. And let me check. I think it's now the pipe time. All right, so I just need a plan.